Okay, now we're going to graph a relationship using the interval notation. Okay, so relations, interval notation. What this literally says is the set W, the set named, it really doesn't matter, okay, so but the set W equals the set of all the coordinates, right, such that y is always 5, x can be whatever the restrictions are, and on this part it says x has to be greater than -1 but less than 4, right? Not less than or equal to, not greater than or equal to. So then that means we're going to have to do something about that, usually with the little unfilled circles. But let's go ahead and pull up our Cartesian plane. You got to notice that whatever the coordinates are, y is always going to be 5. Y is always going to be a 5. What that means is whatever the graph is going to look like, it has to be on this horizontal line. This is the y equals 5 horizontal line. Now let's look at the other part up here, and it says to use x's that are only greater than -1 and less than 4. So I strongly suggest you plot a couple of points so you can see what's going. -1 is not quite -1, but let's just put it on there anyway just to get a picture of what's going on. And then when we plug in 0, that's good. In fact, 1 is good. Plug in 2, that's good because it's between that interval. 3 is between that interval. And 4 is not between that interval. So it looks like to me that it's going to be like this. It's going to be between -1 and +4 on that axis. Let's clean it up a little bit. And you'll notice that the ends are circles because these are less than. Not less than and equal to. Okay, so that's how you do these. That's it. MGZ out.